part 76 of my solo cross-country ride, rescued by my bunker biker, found a few friends, and was followed by the police again. Pretty. Look at the mural, that's a word. This is the area I was in 2-3 months ago, lost track, for the Southwest Quest 3 Women's Moto event. Just a lot of fun if you're a lady rider, and I believe, yes it is, it's down that road. Echo Basin Resort is where we had it the last 2 years. A lot of nice rides in the area, great ladies, just a really good time. When you're finished watching this video, the beginning of season 16 on my YouTube playlist is where I started this ride over 4 months ago and includes the ladies event. Alright, just want to see how much battery I have, if I need to change or not. Yes I do. Beautiful mountains once again. Yeah. Very nice. In Durango, going to my bunker biker's house. Looks like I'll get there just at dark, just before dark. That would be nice if it was before dark. I am going out in the country. Always enjoy that, but not at night on the bike. Oh dear. See, this is why. Hey, big guy. I have ridden to Lemon Reservoir before, and that is a really pretty ride. I think I'm going a similar location tonight. Not exactly sure, I didn't look super closely at the map. And beautiful. What an awesome commute if you work in Durango. Pretty horses. Wow, nice new pavement. Wow, colors are amazing. So I've actually been on this road before, and it is a really pretty ride. Coming back from Lemon Reservoir, did kind of a circle, so we didn't go back to Durango the same way we went out, and this is the way we came back. And it looks like I'm going to make it there just before dark. Beautiful horses. I do not want to annoy the locals and go crazy slow, but I do want to go the speed limit, so sorry. I remember passing that earlier. It's very cool. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. My bike is made for off-road. I am not. I found a flatter way into the neighborhood. So far so good, that may end soon. Hello dear. Hello. I don't quite see where the road is. I 100% embarrassed myself. My bunker bikers were very gracious and completely ignored my wimping out. Oh crap, are you kidding me? Hello. Okay, you're gonna laugh at me, hopefully. I am down the road from you. Is that any flatter or no? That's the same as this. Okay, and then I'll follow you? Okay, cool, thanks. Sorry. Sorry. Alright, I am following my bunker biker to his house. The road Google Maps took me to was like pretty steep and pretty sandy. So I called and said, is there another way? So he came to the rescue, which is awesome. Okay. Man. Okay. How am I going to do it coming down that tomorrow? Okay, yes, that's the road I was supposed to come up. This is definitely much flatter.
Want me to ride that up the driveway? It's a little steep.
I was on enough of a curve, I couldn't get the kickstand down. I'm not strong enough to hold my bike up if I tip it over too far to get the stand down. A huge thanks to my awesome bunker biker hosts. Apparently we were neglecting someone as we looked at maps and talked of our travels. The storm caught up to me and it poured all night. It cracked me up. The cat and the birds seemed to completely ignore each other. Although the turkeys are pretty big. I really enjoyed my morning in this lovely spot. Appreciate the huge breakfast and relaxing with nature. I have a new friend. Wonder if she wants to go for a ride. Seems comfortable and happy. A huge thanks to my Bunk bikers. Awesome, thank you very much. Thank you very much, I appreciate that.
I appreciate you. Coming out and having made a little bit of fun, at least wasn't that bad.
No, you're good.
It wasn't bad. Getting here won't be.
Yeah.
You'll be fine today.
Oh yeah. This is opening up.
Is that the stock? Is that the stock kickstand?
We just added the foot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a good one. I was looking at that. And the brake pedal.
That's stock.
Oh.
Yeah.
I added an extender onto mine.
Oh, yeah.
The first day on the bike, I'm like, where the hell is the brake?
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Bye.
What? It's telling me to go down there, and I'm not doing that. Go on the correct side of the road. Yes, this road is better than I was thinking it would be after the rain all night, which is good. I was thinking it would be mud. So I'm happy that it is not. I'm going the flattest way possible to make sure I'm totally good. Wow, beautiful day. It's 57. It's 11 o'clock. I did wait a bit because it was raining all night and raining this morning. And I did want the storage to dry out a little bit before I took off. I'm definitely going to hit rain on the way south. That's okay. Yeah, beautiful day here now. It's going to be clear here, I think, at least for a few hours, and then storms again. Storms where I'm going, but I don't think severe storms. So north of here there's snow, and I think a bit of flooding in there with hail and strong storms last night. There was not strong storms or hail yet. Nice rain, a little bit of lightning, not a big deal. Well, I say that because I was in a house. But yeah, that's one reason I opted to ride farther and not down. This is a beautiful area. Wow. I wanted to use Google Maps to make sure I could get out of the neighborhood. Just about to turn on to the main road and rain is coming. So I'm putting my phone in my bag. Plugging it into my battery brick that's in my bag. I will still get directions through my cardo on my helmet without wrecking my phone in the rain. I do have a Garmin that I use as a map. It is fine in the rain, so I can leave that on. Entering San Juan National Forest. I've been riding on and off in light rain. I'm dressed for it, so it doesn't bother me at all. I find the rain has a special beauty. The low clouds and the deep green are stunning. I stopped to fill up with gas. The police car behind me now pulled in behind me, watched me fill up, and followed me out of the gas station. I lifted my helmet up to show my face, and I rode behind the gas station just to see if he was following me. He did. I am in the town of Pagosa Springs. Beautiful area. I've been through here a few times and never cycled in Springs. So it's on my list. Places to come back to when I have more time. can smell the hot springs. I think they're to my right, so I'm looking at the building, so I don't think you can see the springs from the road. Springs are down there, I believe. River. I have no idea what it is about me that the policemen in the town follow me. The policeman pulled into the gas station when I was filling up and followed me till just a minute ago. So if you can tell me what it is about me, if it's guilty, let me know. Or I'll stop it. I think I'm going to cross the river in a sec. River. Please hit like and subscribe, and you'll be notified for my next video. Add a question or a comment below. Thanks for watching. Follow me on social media.